Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore your account on Bifrost Wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bifrost Wallet application and then you will see the options to log into your account as well as creating a new account. Click on I already have a wallet, and now if you wish to view them, you can tap on the terms of use as well as the privacy policy and read through them. After reading through these policies, you can tap on I agree, and now you will be asked to enter the restore wallet seed or key that was originally given to you when you created your account and signed up for your wallet. So go ahead and type in the 12-digit recovery phrase and tap on the continue button. After you type in your phrase and tap on continue and your phrase has been verified, you will be allowed to create a new PIN for your account. So go ahead and type in your desired new PIN, and then you will be asked to type it in once again. So type in this PIN once again to confirm it, and you will be asked whether you want to enable your biometric authentication. You can tap on the enable button or tap on skipped if you want to skip this. And now you will be taken to your account that you created originally, which was associated with the seed or key that you used. And if you use the correct seed and key that was associated with your account, you will also find that all of your balance that was in your account will also be right there. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on restoring your account on the Bifrost Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.